stop playing with him.
Vinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Hey guys, so Julia asked us to do a washed out grungy makeup look, so that's what we're gonna do today. I would typically use my Take a Brow, you know, the one by Lorac, but I can't find it right now, so I'm gonna go with my Anastasia. And the cool thing about this makeup look is you can really do whatever neutral kind of color you want to, you know. You can go with browns, you can go with oranges, reds. Really doesn't matter. The more messy the eyeshadow is, the cuter it looks. I don't know, that's just how it works. So I'm gonna go in with my NARS. I really like this stuff, I always use it. So if you're wondering like, why does she always use that NARS? It's only because it's really good. I'm just taking it and lining my brows. And I line my brows because I don't like to get my eyebrows done. So I have a lot of new growth. I don't pluck it, I don't do none of that. That stuff hurts. I'm gonna go in with our MAC oil. I really like this. This is like really hydrating. Y'all can see how much I have left. It's not that much. But it's like super hydrating on the face. Now if you have super oily skin, you might not need to do this, but it doesn't make my skin too oily. It just moisturizes and hydrates the skin. So for today's foundation, I'm actually going to use two different foundations. I'm going to use the Tarte under my eye area, and I'm going to use this NARS around the rest of my face. No particular reason, it's just I wanted to put on a lot of makeup. Under our eye area, middle of the forehead. This all over the rest of the face. You could just go on with whatever is your favorite full coverage foundation. You can simply use that and bypass all of these additional steps of me using two foundations, but I just choose to be extra today. Now I'm gonna start blending out this Tarte. Blend it all over your face, and I really prefer to use a beauty blender. Sometimes brushes are cool, but for the most part beauty blenders are going to always give me the coverage that I'm looking for, which is flawless, full coverage. I'm gonna put on makeup, I'm gonna really put it on. Wow, so this is one coat of foundation and it's looking completely flawless. Okay, y'all see that? Typically I would go in with like another layer, but we're good. Alright, what we're gonna do now, I think we're gonna go in and like contour and highlight our face. Yeah, I'm gonna just dip the NARS. I'm gonna go directly in with the brush onto my face. With this, and just dab the product on my face. Then I'm gonna again blend it out. So now we're just blending the contour. I don't even know why I did the contour first. I'm just all backwards today. But regardless, it all works. But to highlight my face, I'm gonna use ginger because I really like this stuff. It's like super pretty. The perfect highlighting shade for me, literally. Like, watch. What? Do y'all see that? Perfect highlighting shade. You see it? Like, it looks good. I'm gonna bring it down our nose. I'm not gonna bring it too much on our forehead because I got on this wig and I kind of don't really need to contour my forehead. But I'm gonna take my beauty blender, the same one that I was using, save my under eyes for last. I need to get me some new brushes. Like BH Cosmetics has some good ones, so I'm gonna check them because they're super affordable. You know, they got like $2 brushes. So when you're on a budget, you know, because I'm about to get married, guys. So subscribe to that channel, like and comment. Help your girl out. Nah, but seriously, I'm just dabbing this concealer. And then after that, what you could do is go back in with your contour brush and kind of just blend everything together. The perfect thing about this makeup look is you do not have to wear lashes. So if you don't like lashes, you don't like putting on lashes, you definitely don't have to put them on. We've got it all blended out. I'm not gonna really contour my nose. Like, don't get me wrong, we could, but I'm going to do it with the powder. So it's like super, super snatched. So now we're going in with our Cover FX powder in the color N60. setting them with these Paris Hilton brushes, which I really love, by the way. They're so nice. They're like really cute and they work. But yeah, I haven't really been setting my under eyes. I've just been going in with the brush that I would normally set my under eyes with. Whatever is remaining on that brush, I just dab it in. So it's really nothing on the brush, and I'm just dabbing in nothing on my face. But what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start a goth makeup look, washed out goth makeup look. And it's kind of cool because you can go on with whatever color you like. Whatever color you like. I don't even know what color I'm gonna start off with. I think I'm gonna start off with Raw Sienna from our Modern Renaissance palette, because this is perfect for grunge, or like lime crime. If you have lime crime, that's perfect. The Morphe palette is perfect if you have the one with the orange shades or more neutral shades, you know, browns, oranges, those kind of shades. Perfect for this kind of look. Let me go get my brush. I'll be right back. All right, so I don't have any primer on my face, I mean on my eyes, and that's cool. You don't have to have any if you don't want to. But I'm gonna start off with Raw Sienna, and I'm gonna use my Sigma E40 blending brush. The messier, the better. I don't wanna stress that enough, okay? The messier, the better. So we're gonna just start off, and I'm actually mixing Raw Sienna and burnt orange. And I'm gonna like really smoke it out up until my brows, you know? Because we're gonna go in with some other colors. The more time you spend wiping back and forth and placing color, the better it'll look. The more time you spend building up the color, the better it'll look. And then I'm gonna also bring it to the bottom. Yeah, we're gonna just keep on diffusing it out. We're not done, we're nowhere near done. Almost, but nowhere, you know? We're like 70% through. So far we're done top and bottom. We've only used 2 shades. We've used the Raw Sienna and burnt orange. All right, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna go in with Real Gar, which is this orange shade. I'm gonna go back in with the same M433 brush into more in my crease area. And whatever shades you wanna use are up to you. You could have used like a brown shade, that would have been cute. But yeah, it's all up to you. Let me know if you wanna see more looks like this, because the looks are endless. Going in with that same Real Gar shade. These eyes are a vibe. They won't like set our contour, do our highlight, bring everything together with the same Real Gar to just diffuse it out some more. We could do a few things. We got options. Ooh, that might be cute. We're gonna use red ochre. We're gonna go with this shade right here and like put it at the base of our lid. Then we gotta do it to the what? The bottom. Mainly the bottom middle. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna go in and do my contour so we can snatch our face. For the blush, I like almuretto. I would say perfect for grungy. So I'm going in with the flesh tone blush. You already know this is my favorite because I use it every day. We're gonna go in with Trophy Wipe first. Our Fenty Beauty. We still haven't snatched our nose yet. It's kind of a lot. I'm gonna also go in with Artist Couture Illuminati. If you ever wonder how my highlight is so popping, it's because of this, and I really like it. You see? So you guys you could really just continue to just diffuse it and smoke it out. And I'm gonna just add a twinkle bit of the red ochre and a little bit of the brown cypress ombre. All right, so I'm gonna just take some of the cypress ombre with my eyebrow brush and just give myself like a smoked out line. So I'm gonna contour my nose with the same thing I use. Put this Illuminati brow bone in the corners of my eyes. Gonna go in with our brown lip liner pencil. For the lips, we'll use Trendsetter.
Candles are lit, lights are down, playing Cody Simpson. Running your fingers through all of this blonde ambition.